As we know, AI have been with us for many years. Since many years ago, AI helped us to search the information. AI helped us to direct to the right location, for example, like Google Search or Google Map. And also, we also have ChatGPT, which is a new AI, which is a different type of AI compared with AI search or AI in the Google Maps. All of that copies the intelligence from the human. Human can make the mistake. AI also can make the mistake as well. So we need to aware that AI is not 100% correct. Human need to validate the result from AI. Firstly, when we use AI, we need to make sure that the data that we put inside is not the data is biased or is not incorrect data, because the input data that incorrect gonna be result that incorrectly. For example, like ChatGPT, if we put the information is not the real one or is ambiguous, we also have the potential to get the output that incorrect as well. That the human can be validate the data before they put it in, and also when you get the result, you need to validate it as well. Also, the output from the AI tools that we use, we need to validate and make sure that it's correct, it's not hallucinate. And also, we need to finalize before we share to the others. This is the one that when we consume the AI, we need to be careful. If we build AI, if we build AI or we build agent or we build the model, AI models, we need to be careful as well. For example, if we build a model that can predict the house price or the condo price, firstly, the data that we put it in need to be correct. The second thing, the model, the techniques that we build AI need to be correct as well. Lastly, the output, we need to make sure that the outputs have the qualities. This is also the things that the human who has potential to build AI need to be careful of. Many times, when we give the AI model to the consumers, they need to be understand the model. They need to be understand how it works. When we adopt the AI to the consumers, the builder or the product owner need to explain how the AI works to the consumer. For example, if I give the same model to predict the house price to the consumers, that they need to translate or they need to work on the result with the customer. He or she need to understand how the AI works. For example, when you predict the house price and you say that this is 5 million baht and this is 7 million baht, you need to explain what is the factors that result into the 5 million baht or 7 million baht. For example, this one has the garage, this one has 3 bedrooms. This is a factors that support the model to produce the house price. So this is called explainability AI that not only for the consumer that need to understand, and also the builder needs to be understand as well. So the machine can make mistake, but if they make mistake or if they make mistake, the human who use the tools, who use the models, need to be validated before he or she make decisions.